Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to do the breakpoint and the continue walk from the agriculture sprayer drone. Initially, in the last video we already do the mapping and we choose the direction for the walk, and if in the middle of the operation, if the screen remains that the chemical runs out or battery runs out, we can actually record a breakpoint and we can do it later. After we record a breakpoint, we can manually land in the drone, or we can using the channel to automatically landing. And after we dispatch it again, we just need to put it back to the AV point operation mode, and we just push it forward and the drone will back into the track. So let's try it. So now on the screen, if they say the battery is low or something, we want to pause the operation, push the channel G to GPS mode, and the drone will pause, and we can manually control the drone to landing. And you can see from the screen the real-time position. The drone is returning to the starting point, and now we can land in the drone. After we land the drone, we can add a chemical or we swap battery. We can do other operation. And before we take off, and it's very important to put the switch, the channel E to the default position. So after we do the AV point operation, we may push it to the middle or the back position to record the A point and the B point. After we're doing that, we need to push it back to the neutral position. Otherwise, the remote control will not allow us to be dispatched. And also, remember this gesture to unlock the drone, and now we can dispatch it again and keep going to work. So we fly the drone to the nearby position of the breakpoint, and we push the channel G to AV point mode by pushing it to the right side. And on the left stick, we can push the drone forward. It's like just go for it. Let's see. We push the left stick to make it go forward, and the drone will fly forward to the breakpoint and continue to work. So now the drone is operating itself, and you can see the screen on the right side. The drone is operating itself and back into the track.